Hi Librans, this is Char with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly podcast for the month of February 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also diving into this love oracle deck that I have here. Librans, please keep in mind that these are all random messages. They may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of January, stepping into February 2022, we have the Empress card. I think your personal magnetism was at its peak. The Empress is a very nurturing and giving lady. She cares about everything around. So possibly, you were also looking into the needs of others, maybe within your family or where your acquaintances were concerned. Incidentally, at this time, you were also forming new friendships. Professionally, I think you needed to be more careful. There may have been mistakes. Work offers may have also come in for something you had never attempted. Maybe it could be a side hustle. Librans, in this time or in these final days, you were also expected to be a bit patient. First to overcome this month or the challenges that February is going to pose for you is the King of Pentacles here. I think you will be concerned about financial matters. The King of Pentacles is a person who is quite wealthy, but then this isn't the challenge position, so there could be some issues with respect to money. Maybe you should also be careful how you put your money to use, or perhaps there could also be someone who is going to watch your back in case this person feels that you're being taken for a ride, so this person could step in. I think the key here is to focus on the fine print, to look carefully before you sign any contracts. Maybe gadgets could also malfunction and this could leave you a bit hassled. Ideally, I think Librans, you needn't be a bit crabby, rather you should listen to the viewpoint of others. Influences for this month, we have the Three of Cups. I think gains through your friends and acquaintances is quite likely, so it would be prudent to tap into your contacts. You should promote yourself. Maybe you should also learn the ropes of the social media. Perhaps your children or your nieces and nephews, even juniors at work could help you out. Social life will also be on the upswing this month, so reunions are quite likely. Incidentally, Librans, I think you will also be concerned about a younger person. The first 10 days of the month, we have the Hangman here. Excess work is quite likely. I think you have to find time, you have to adjust, you have to rework on your schedule, and you also have to prioritize. Perhaps Librans, you should also seek assistance from others. I think professionally you will do well, so you should make the most of the opportunities that are coming your way. Maybe pressure of work could also mount on you. In case you're in the leadership position, I think you can expect your boss or the administrator to ask you to increase the workload of your juniors, but then you believe that there's already so much on their plate. Maybe Librans, you'll also be a bit perturbed because staff could play truant. You have to find replacements. Incidentally, in this time, in case you're expecting a higher position at work, you may be a bit disappointed. Maybe you believe that you're hanging by the thread or you're in a state of suspension here. Again, Librans, in this time, you should also be careful of your health. Perhaps physically or mentally, you could be a bit down. Oftentimes, you may also feel as though you're sacrificing yourself. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th February, we have the Death card. Change is certainly in the offing in these 10 days. You cannot resist the change because nothing is permanent except change in life. The more we resist the change, it becomes all the more difficult for us. There's also going to be a sense of urgency, or maybe you have to attend to pressing matters. I think Librans, you should settle for less than your expectations. Something is better than nothing. Nevertheless, I think you're somebody who's going to be happy with the output. Even while dealing with clients, I think you should make allowances for them. In case you're working with colleagues, I think you will give them a piece of your mind for not being competent enough. Also in this time, I think you should be careful of rivalry. Perhaps your boss or your superior is jealous and is always up to mischief. That is why I think you should have a word with the management or the administrator, because he is going to look into the matter. The final days of February, we have the Four of Swords. This energy is asking you to retreat, to step back. Like I said, knives are going to be sharpened or there's going to be jealousy. So this person here, he seems to be in a contemplative mood. He is wondering how he should proceed. At times, Librans, you could also have to rethink your moves. Sometimes, we think that this is the right path, but then destiny could change that path for us. This is also going to be a very hectic period. You should also follow your instinct. But the good thing here is that you'll be able to complete what you set out to do. Again, the threat of your rivals is also going to be evident here. Maybe you should keep your cards close to your chest. That is why this person seems to be withholding himself, or he is closed off. With respect to your love life, Librans, I have this card. Letter messages, love notes. This card is asking you to communicate. Messages could come in the form of a love letter or a missive. Maybe there'll be phone calls that you will share with your beloved. These are lavender flowers. It's also associated with love and devotion. So possibly in case you're in a romantic connection, I think you can expect devotion from your person. Maybe if you're single, you could meet someone on account of your friend who plays Cupid, or maybe you could bump into someone special on account of your social life this month. For some Librans, I'm also picking up there's the possibility of reconnection with someone. Interestingly, Librans, there could also be unwanted attention this month. Maybe you're also going to move away from a relationship because you believe that this will not work out. On the other hand, romancing ones, like I said, you will exchange notes or you will have those phone calls. You will plan dinner dates. This is a Three of Cups energy here. So you are going to be someone who is going to be flirtatious. Maybe you will have dinner dates or you will plan those outings with your person. Sometimes you could also feel that this person is not communicating enough, or he retreats into a shell. Maybe because of this Swords energy, either of you could be undemonstrative. So it is important for you to be more romantic. Married Librans, I think you should avoid disagreements with your partner. Maybe you should also stop complaining or whining about issues. Librans, the key here is not to assume too much. Honesty is the basis of any relationship. We also have this card, look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as the ocean. I think the person you're dealing with has deep and profound feelings for you, or maybe this could also be your situation in the month of February. Incidentally, February is also the Valentine month, so an expression of love because of the letter card here is going to be there for many of you. Another message from the universe is 999. Completion of a cycle is near. Profound lessons are at hand. Possibly Librans, you are going to learn life lessons. There's going to be closure. Maybe because of your ill health, you could be in a contemplative mode, or maybe because of differences with colleagues, you could be a bit emotional. I think there should be closure. This is also necessary for your highest good or for your soul's evolution this month. The last card in this reading is Eagle, Communion. It says, you see this man here, he's looking up to the eagle, his feathered friend. So there's going to be messages again. Birds always talk about messages, and we did have this card, letter messages. This is a very spiritual connection. Possibly, your spirit guides are going to be there for you, or your spirit animals are also going to be there giving you messages which you should be open to. I think this card is also asking you to spread your wings and touch the sky. Eagles are birds which are always flying at the highest level. They are closest to God. They are the messengers of God. Most definitely, Librans, communion with nature is essential for you now. Largely this month, I think you need to safeguard your health. You need to cooperate with others. Possibly, there could also be key men in your life or key senior figures in your life. This is a month which is going to bring in closure and transformation, because we do have 999 as well as the death card in your reading. I hope Librans, you liked your reading. This was Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.